Thank you. Deputy Tobin.
Minister, the government's Irish language policy is in disarray. There's been falls in the latest census report with the number of Irish speakers both inside the Gaeltacht and outside the Gaeltacht. It states as well that 1 in 3 school leavers are leaving the school system without Irish. 25% of parents seek Gael schools for their children, and only 5% actually receive it. Money's been gutted from this particular area, and there's actually compulsory English in this state. If you try to deal with any of the state organisations, they won't deal with you in Irish as a result of government policy. So when will the strategy Fihilblin actually be put into place? We're in the latter half of that strategy timescale now, and the Billa Changaga Ifagul.
Well,
Come on, you Chimo Mohammed Hain, Shija Quingate, the Loydu, the country Loyal Gaelic, I guess multi Morrison plan.
No, Deputy Doherty, you didn't even indicate you were coming in. Well, no, you'll really be for the decision. Kesh Guppy, an hour Kyne, it's a Gary Fregra.
Galta field where I can see the washer. I guess Kyne where will be like Calne and when you could have started the Gaeltacht.
Ja, tá brauner ní me cinnte heachtaíach éirí mé ar an Irish talk about the chun an ceiste ragad.
Yeah, by the contingent Oscor and Realtas mi Altana.
Magad.
Ó híh an strateis, tá muid le an strateis mar tá agat, agus tá andul chun Kyne an, agus by muid géirí go bhéh ní smó, tá muid sa séomhlín don strateis, agus tá muid raid, tá ardúin méid agad atá ar bháil, agus ó híh na hifrica, tá agat na go rá ardú agus rá imirce an ard, sa cancer dúna gáilwé ó sáil sa geta, agus sin an príomh sin an príomh fág go bhfuil leidúir na méid country Gaelgas na